Okay, so what is new for 2021? Let's have a look here. New swing out bar action, but the bigger thing is now we have a provision for a window net. Bar is removable, goes through the dash. Got the buckle here for the window net. Got the cert sticker. Door bar on the passenger side. So that's what's new for 2021. Looking to go 8s with an 850 cert cage. Got to get my NHRA license. Guess I could remove this, huh? The belt bar. The tape is from when I was measuring for the window net. And there's a little nub that goes there. I haven't painted it yet. Might wrap it with some stuff I've seen somebody else use. AutoZone tape that looks like carbon fiber. Still running nitrous this year. Hoping to be able to drive it to the track. I need to do something about that seat though. It's getting gross. One of the other upgrades for the 2021 season is my Detroit Speed stock height body mount kit. So this is hopefully to make the car a little more rigid so I can put more power into it sooner and not have to do the delay on the nitrous hits. So I've got some fairly decent front body mounts. So these were the closest to the firewall. I mean, they're not perfect by any standard, but they're not as bad as the rear. And the rear was quite the chore with the subframe connectors, because I had to basically, and hopefully I have a picture of this that I'll include in the video here, basically I had to square this off where it meets the frame at the back of the subframe. So where the subframe and the subframe connector meet, there was an area where it just had to be flat. At least for my style subframe connector, which I've been on the car since I've had it for almost 30 years now. So anyway, that's what's going on right now. Doing this, hope to get it in, and got to do the core support still. This is the last of the body mounts from the firewall back, so then it's just core support stuff. So these are the hard ones, I think.